Good day, everyone. So, for today, let me teach you on how to transpose data. When we say we are transposing data in Excel, we just simply basically switching the rows and columns of your data. So, in order to do that, you just need to follow this simple step. So, as you can see here, this is our data. This is the name here in the first column. And then on the second, third, and fourth column are all their grades. Now, let's say we want to switch the columns and the row. So, what are we going to do? That's the time that we are going to use the transpose data. So, in order to do that, we just need to highlight everything here, highlight, and then kindly right click and then click copy. After that, you can choose any tab here or any point here in the Excel, this one, and then you just need to right click once again, then click paste special. After that, kindly just simply click this transpose here. Okay, click transpose and then click OK. And as you can see here, the the column and the row already. So that is the purpose of transposing data.